Alright, so today we're working on our 2011 Mercedes E-Class. This is the 350 version. Let's say you've been working on it and you had your battery disconnected for a little while and you've come to realize that now your windows don't work in their auto up or auto down function. It's a very common problem with these. Generally speaking, it's fairly easy to fix. You know, you go like that and should want to go all the way up. If that doesn't work for you anymore, what you do, just make sure your key's in the on position, but the vehicle is not running. You're going to take your switch and you're going to lift up on it all the way. You're going to hold it for 30 seconds, even after it's all the way up. So just keep on holding it up. 30 seconds might seem like a long time. Let's say that was 30. After that, you're going to hold it all the way down and go for another 15 to 30 seconds. So now that that's all done, let's give them a try. That's pretty great. Goes all the way up and it doesn't come down afterward. All right, go down. Perfect. All right, so now what you do is you just do the same thing to all the rest of the windows that had that issue.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.